Hi everybody, my name is Cindy and I'm going to show you how to find static links to track knowledge graph results in the MobileMoxie Page-oscope. So in this example, you can see I've just searched for myself with a little vanity search, but I like to track what's going on in my own personal knowledge graph. From a branding perspective, it's important for us. So search for myself. Here's the knowledge graph, and to get the link, all you do is you find this little triangle button. Sometimes it's up high, sometimes it's kind of in the middle, but just click it, and then you'll get the g.co knowledge graph static URL that's always going to show you what that knowledge graph looks like. And so you can just copy this and then put it into the MobileMoxie Page-oscope, and you can test it repeatedly, daily, weekly, or monthly, so that you can track visual changes and content changes to what shows up in your knowledge graph. So that's it. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. To be notified about future videos, click the logo. And to try the MobileMoxie Mobile SEO Toolset, use the promo code YouTube to get 30 days free. They're mobile-first SEO tools for a mobile-first world.